With Governor Gwen Garcia's vision to make the province food sufficient, she conceptualized the Sugbusog program across the province of Cebu a year back for household, Purok, and barangay levels. It provided confidence in every Cebuano that hunger amidst the pandemic can be fought by cultivating a garden in the home and in the community. Following its overwhelming success, it is expanded as a partnership endeavor with the Department of Education, Schools Division Office, under Dr. Marilyn S. Andales of Cebu Province, considering that the school is a potent venue and teachers are game changers in nutrition education. In April 2021, the Provincial Government of Cebu launched the Sugbusog sa Eskuylahan with the theme Estudyanteng Busog, Luwas ug Himsog. It primarily aims to instill in the hearts and minds of the students and every person the love and beauty in growing and producing their own food. Altavista Elementary School, known for taking every challenge that come across, participated in the activity. It is implemented along with other activities with the available resources that we have. It started with a pre-implementation meeting with the parents, teachers, and other stakeholders. A benchmarking activity in Sugbusog winning barangays, Barangay Cansabusab and Esperanza, was conducted last May 28, 2021 to learn the details of the Sugbusog program. After identifying the area, it was cleared from shrubs and patches of grass. Then, it was plowed and the soil was prepared, ready for transplanting. A fence made of bamboo was set up. Since we are using organic fertilizers, a vermicomposting facility and plant nursery were constructed. The school allocated a part of the MOE and other school funds to support the program implementation. The Provincial Agriculture Office provided seeds as a startup. Making sure seeds are sowed in a healthy soil, some parents shared a part of the time in sterilizing the soil for the seed boxes. Mrs. Lourdes Jimina, as the EPP coordinator, led the program implementation by personally sowing the seeds. The PTA officials and teachers were actively involved in transplanting the seedlings, watering, weeding, and other gardening activities. Of preparation, the Sugbusog sa Eskuylahan has been realized. It is now ready to be a new home for vegetables, native chicken, tilapia, and medicinal plants. Busog program. Kay sayod kami nga ang Estudyanteng Busog, Luwas ug Himsog. We advocate Sugbusog program because we believe in quality education and good nutrition. Birada